Hey guys, got a quick video here for you on a product that I picked up. Everybody's familiar with. You can get these at your local supermarket. It's a pork shoulder, and similar to the Boston butt or the pulled pork typically, and you can utilize this as pulled pork. I wanted to show you something that I found. Again, I do a shopping uh, uh, video, and the video here is this, and what drew my attention was save $2 and get it for 99 cents a pound. So it's a $3 product you're getting for 99 cents. Okay, uh, uh, pork butt, right? And that was what caught my attention. So I actually went out and I picked it up right here. So to show you the numbers, the unit price is right here, 99 cents a pound. Okay, it's a 8.59 pound piece of meat. You see the sell by date, and again, going along with this flyer here, current flyer, I was able to get a beautiful piece of meat for 99 cents a pound. Okay, 21 grams of protein per 4 ounces of meat. And there's over 8 pounds of meat. That's 32 4-ounce servings, or 16 half-pound servings, folks. So with this product, you can get 16 half-pound servings for $8. That's 50 cents a serving. All right, there's your regular portion size, 4 ounces. Again, in regards, look at this, 0 carbs. There's a low sodium to it. Beneficial fats. This is healthy eating meat, guys. This is healthy eating meat. Protein, 21 grams. This is real food, wholesome. Okay, and right now on sale at the Hannaford's. Okay, usually some of the other supermarkets will follow the other people's sales so they don't lose their business. But what I do with this bad boy, and I'm going to make a video after I cook it, is I'm going to take this, I'm going to open it up, I'm going to dry it, pat dry, I'm going to inject garlic cloves into it. Okay, inject garlic cloves. I'm going to put some salt and black pepper on the outside. I'm going to also put some garlic powder and on the outside. Okay, and I'm going to bake it at a 325 temperature for about 2 hours. I always keep a thermometer in it, and I will pull it at 170. Okay, and I'm going to wrap it. After I wrap it, I'm going to put it back in the oven at 325 until I get an internal temperature of 205. Once I hit 205, I'm going to turn the oven off and I'm going to let it rest until temperatures come down into the 80 period. I'm going to let it rest for a couple of hours, okay? And everything will start to really break down and be beautiful for pulled pork, okay? And unwrap it, and you're going to have a nice, beautiful crust, which I'm going to show you in another video. You can also start this on a grill and get that nice smoky flavor started on the outside. These are also beneficial to smoke if you have a smoker, pellet smoker or wood smoker. I make thousands of these a year for pulled pork in a smoker, but I also do them in the oven as well with the garlic, salt, pepper, yummy. And then you can make sandwiches. When you're done with this, with my recipe, you'll be able to pull this apart and it'll melt in your mouth. All right, guys. Well, that's about the pork shoulder picnic shoulder. It's pork shoulder picnic. Picnic means it has the bone, lower shank. Okay, but enjoy. Inexpensive food here, guys. Inexpensive food coming around. Nice to see.